What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Bert Collins and I'm back with another video, back with another banger, back with another unboxing. Please do the biggest thing you can do for me by hitting the like button. Also, if you can, please hit the subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you can stay tapped in with the channel. Look, you guys, hitting that like button and hitting that subscribe button are one of the most important things you can do for me. I got a small channel here and we're trying to continue to grow. We got a goal of hitting 1,000 subs by the end of the year, and it'd be amazing if you guys could help me in that journey. I can't do it without you guys. All right, man, we're pretty much caught up with my sneaker unboxings. They're coming in the mail from Stussy, but I haven't even gotten like confirmation that the shoe has been shipped out. And I also got some smaller pickups coming in. So there will be more videos, but as far as sneaker pickups, we are all caught up. Yes, sir, man. We got a Nike box here. This box reads Nike Dunk Low Retro PRM Premium Phantom Fossil Rose Aura. Yes. Yes, sir. You guys know the vibes. Yes, sir. Yo. Bow. Check it out, man. Bow. Air. Why do I want to say Air Jordan? Nike Dunk Low Fossil Rose. Sheesh. She is clean. Super duper clean. Low-key a grail on my list, man. I've been hitting hella general releases, bro. Even if you look at what I got behind me, hella general releases. So it's really nice to get my hand on this dunk. This is the third dunk in my collection. I got the off-white dunk, lot 8. I just hit on a pair of Next Nature Light Orwoods, and this is the third one, man. Fossil Rose joints. All right, so let's go around the shoe real quick. You got this light baby blue color coming around the toe box, and then you have like a gray. This is gray. Oh my god, the suede is so buttery. Oh, I'm so happy. The suede is so buttery. Come around the back. You got Nike on the heel. The same blue and gray wraps around the shoe. You got the Nike check in that fossil rose color. That is a nice color, man. See, this gives me like, okay, so the Dunk veneers. Always wanted to get my hands on those. Never was able to get my hands on those. The Dunk ceramics. Wanted to get those. Wasn't able to get my hands on those. The medium curry dunks. Wanted to get my hands on those. And I wasn't able to get my hands on those. I put this shoe right along with all of those shoes. The ceramics, the veneers, the medium curries. The suede is super duper buttery. The color is like a neutral tone, very light, and very wearable in my opinion, man. Come down to the bottom, you got this fossil rose color. Amazing shoe, man. Amazing shoe. I don't see any what we would call defects. Just super hairy suede leather. Nice. Look at the tongue that's like a canvas. You got the fossil rose, the Nike sign in the fossil rose color. Yeah, man, you can't beat this shoe. This shoe is fire, man. It's super duper good pickup. I'm happy I got it. Slowly transferring into buying Dunks, man. Seems like Nike has finally been willing to let me hit on some Dunks. Oh my God, it smells amazing. Smell check, huh? Super happy with these, man. I'm gonna have to do an on foot. I'm not gonna do it today, but definitely you're gonna see an on foot coming. I gotta get caught up on my on foots. I'm caught up on all my sneaker reviews, but I'm not caught up on all my on foot. So you guys will see a lot of on foot videos coming up, man. Just make sure you hit the subscribe button, and when you click that notification bell, make sure you click all. Hit all, so that way you see my videos when they pop up, man. But I'm super duper happy with this pickup, you guys. Get in the comments below. Let me know if you're able to pick up this shoe, what you think about this shoe. Is this a shoe you would pick up in the aftermarket? I know a lot of people aren't messing with StockX, but GOAT is a good alternative. So yeah, man, get down in the comments, man. I appreciate you guys. All the new subscribers, thank you. I think we're at 318 subscribers, which is amazing to me, you know what I mean? I had a goal of hitting 400 by the end of this year, and I think we're gonna smash that. I really think we're gonna smash that, but I need your guys' help. So, please, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that notification bell. It's your boy, Bert Collins, man. I've already tapped in, and now I am tapping out, you guys. Have a blessed day. Peace.